Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Chris Designs. Okay, so plugins is what I'm talking about today. Over the class, over the duration of the class, I've been mentioning plugins, right? So today we're talking about plugins. Okay, so in Figma, plugins are third-party tools developed by the community that extend the core functionality of the design and prototyping platform. Okay, they provide additional features, automation, and customization options, allowing users to streamline their workflow and enhance their design process. Okay, so what you should think about plugin as is just like an additional feature to help speed up your design process, right? If you're used to Chrome, like the desktop, all those extensions, right? So plugins are like extensions in Chrome in Figma, right? Yeah. So some examples to locate your plugin, you just go to actions here, and here you can search for any plugins, right? Yeah. So some examples of plugins that can be useful to you are Iconify for icons, um, Unsplash for images, right? I showed you how to get images. You can make use of the splash here. Um, remove BG to remove background. Um, content reel mockups. I'll be showing you how to get a mockup on Figma today. And lorem ipsum for when you're wireframing. You don't have to make use of actual text. You could just make use of dummy text, right? So that's that. So um I think I should start with this mockup first. Then we move to these icons that are here. I think I should only do it for this the mockup and the icons here, so that with it you can easily do this because it's just creating circles and putting images there. Yeah, so this will be like your assignment. Okay, so to start with our mockup, we have to click um, our mockup plugin. You can just search for it. Just as you're seeing the name here, just search for it. Here you see it pop up, right? Then you click on light effects, and you're going to see a plugin. Okay, I mean the mockups comes out, right? And you just drag your home screen. I mean the design you've done. You just drag it in, right? And you center and place it, right? So we have our mockup already. Okay, I could delete this one that's here now, but let me just take the size so that it won't be an issue doing that. Okay, so you just drag in. Yeah, and that's that for our mobile mockup. Okay, you center it a little bit. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so next on the line is this here. Okay, and let me just bring it close. Let's bring it close so that I thought this is in a group. Okay, let me select all, and we're missing something, an ellipse here. Okay, we can drag it out now. Let's bring it on top here so that it will be easier us. Okay, so we need a rectangle first. A rectangle of 256 and 85. Okay, and a height of 85, and a curve of, let's say, maybe 8. I doesn't really have a feel. Okay, has. Now to there was an ellipse there. You draw your ellipse. Okay. Oh, I think they are entering this our mock-up. So let's just keep it outside so it will be much easier, right? Oh, it's more curved, so it should be 16. 16. The color seems a bit off. No, yeah, it's the same now. Okay, so next is the ellipse. You draw your ellipse, kind of like a placeholder holding this. Now you go to your plugins and look for Iconify. You just search for Iconify, you see it, and you search for money because that's a money symbol or something. And you scroll. I think this is the one I used, and you just drag it out. Yeah, let's see the size it was on. It was 26. Make ours 26 as well. Oh, you're selecting the wrong frame. You need to select this, make it 26. So that's that for this. Okay, I've showed you how to do text, so I don't really need to repeat myself here. So I think with this, we've um, been able to complete our design, our fintech web app. Okay, so that's that. So in the next video, we are going to learn how you see this is a desktop, how it comes on mobile. This is how it's going to look on mobile. We're going to scale down our design on desktop to that of mobile. See you there.